त्याच्या उपरांत जाऊ नाही सेशन व्हडले सेशन जाऊ नाही. We are ready to answer all the questions of the opposition.
What is your question answer to this smaller issues? Rail doubling, forest and everything.
ते आता नो. I is only assembly.
No, put a gap on there. Are you not opposing it?
आणि अशा स्थितीनं काही गोष्टी आमची बिल्स असतात डिमांड जी आसा तर प्रत्येकाक पयलोच आमी दिसलें कोणाचे जर कितें विशय जर आसा नंतर काही गोष्टी आमी समजून घेवपाची गरज आसा आनी त्या दृश्टिकोनान एक दिसाचें अधिवेशन जें आसा हें यशस्वी जातलें अशी म्हाका पूर्ण खात्री आसा.
पण कितें दुसरे ऑपोजिशन म्हणटा की विशय घेना जाल्यार थोड्या विशय घेता आमी बंद उडयचे 2 तास
आता तो त्यांचो निर्णय न्ही ताजेर हांव कांय उलोवपाक शकना. प्रत्येकाक फ्रिडम आसा की डेमोक्रेसी आसा आनी डेमोक्रेसीक प्रत्येकाक आपलें मत व्यक्त करपाचो अधिकार आसा आनी तो अधिकार तांणी कितें जालें
वायल्ड लायफाचे भुरगे ते भायर सरला
तो कशें आसा ह्या सद्या फॉरेस्ट डिपार्टमेंट जें आसा म्हजे कडेन कितें आसा तेजें आन्सर दिवपाक ते अजून पर्यंत तसो त्या दृश्टिकोनांतल्यान हांवें पळोवन आपुणूच कशें आसा जेन्ना डबल ट्रॅक जेन्ना जाता त्या वेळाचेर सेंट्रल गव्हर्मेंटाच्या रेल्वेचे काही विशय आसात ते आमी थोडेशे फॉलोअप करपाक जाय अशें म्हाका तर दिसता.
I am not a member of the Business Advisory Committee. Rail doubling has to be done. One side development, other side environment. Both the things have to be done in the interest of the state and the nation.
Right now, this issue will be debated. After debate, I'll talk to you. Okay?
Yes. Okay. How do you look today's this one-day session?
Well, one-day session is too short to tackle all the problems and issues of the state of Goa. However, given the situation that we are in, the pandemic, and the need to keep distance between each other and not to allow people to come together, I guess there was no other solution.
Do you think COVID issue should be discussed today?
Well, maybe certain factors related to COVID-19 issue will be discussed probably.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Morning, sir. Sir, COVID will be discussed, sir. COVID issue will be discussed. COVID issue will be discussed.
We have MLAs are first meeting now. At that meeting, we'll be deciding what to do about the discussion.
So one-day session is enough to pass all the demands.
See, it is a COVID period. It is not our wish that it should have been only one-day session. I wanted a longer session. So much of my business has remained. Even my own panchayat amendments have remained. Because I would prefer a fuller discussion in the house before passing it. So, but we are all helpless because cases are increasing, and it's not only in Goa, it's all over the country, all over the world. So it is a one-day session to fulfill a constitutional obligation.
Okay, so opposition is going to put adjournment motion, sir.
Opposition is meant to do its job. What else will they do? Will they support us? You expect them to support us?
Thank you.
ना
Morning, sir. So आज COVID issue discuss करतले, sir.
नमस्कार. कोविडवर चर्चा करण्याची मागणी करतात. कोविडची
मुख्यमंत्रीशी बोला.
How will look today's one-day budget session?
काय भूमिका असणार? एकाच दिवसाचा आहे, वेळ कमी मिळणार, महत्त्वाचे विषय चर्चेला घेणार की नाही?
मला वाटतं जे डिमांड्स आज घातलेत ते बघितलं तर डिस्कशन ऑन डिमांड्स विल नॉट बी पॉसिबल बिकॉज ईच डिमांड सम ऑफ द डिमांड्स आर फायनान्स, हेल्थ, PWD, फॉरेस्ट, एनवायरमेंट which are to be discussed at length, but it is not possible this time because the duration of the assembly is only 1 day, and however BAC has decided to take up all these matters in 1 day, and that is the reason nothing is possible today in this assembly.
स्थगन प्रस्ताव आणण्याचा गोवा
स्थगन
बोर्डाने हे
प्रस्ताव
केलं आहे.
आणण्याचा आम्ही ऑलरेडी प्रोसिजर केलं आहे, पाठवून दिलं आहे. आज काय होतं ते बघूया.
त्याने असं म्हटलं की स्थगन प्रस्ताव स्वीकारला नाही तर कामकाज चालू देणार नाही. तुमची भूमिका काय?
आधी प्रश्न आहेत ते चालू राहणार. प्रश्न झाल्यानंतर या गोष्टी त्यावेळी ठरणार.
So you think COVID issue should be discussed today?
Definitely we have asked to discuss COVID issue, environment, and also finance.
So one-day session is enough to pass all these demands as
It's
they
not
claim?
possible, no? That is what I told. In 1 day, you cannot discuss so many demands at one time, whereas a lengthy procedure is required for it, which is not possible at this stage.
Thank you, sir.
येणार ना दुसरा म्हणून.
Sir, COVID issue should be discussed today, sir. COVID issue should be discussed today.
Yeah. No, today?
Yeah. You think it should be discussed today?
Yeah, if the speaker allows it, we'll definitely take it on. If the speaker is allowed, because one day session, no? That's why.
So one day session is enough to pass all the demands, sir?
Sorry?
One day session is enough to pass all the demands and
One day session is enough. In fact, we'll see now what the speaker decided. Not only because of this pandemic situation issue, it's all globally here, so that's the reason this situation. Of course, we elected representatives would like to put our views, discuss pandemic, and other issues are there. But because of this situation, now we'll have to try and see how we take the one day assembly ahead.
so there are 9 cases so far in Aldona. How do you look?
Yeah, I'm aware of that. In fact, there are 9 cases in Aldona, and in fact, yesterday we have taken sanitization of one particular area. And today I will be in touch with the authorities, and most probably I will try to get the other place sanitized. But the people, my request to the people of my concerns and all over, to be very, very careful. I mean, ensure they take maximum safety measures like face mask, distance. That all care we have to take. It's very, very important, and that is my request to the people of Goa and the people of my constituency. Thank you.
For the last 100 years is affecting humanity. म्हळ्यार सगळ्यांत व्हडलो प्रॉब्लेम जो संवसाराक जाल्लो अशी महामारी गोंयांत आतां आमकां त्रास करता. आनी जे लोक आमकां निवडून दितात टू द हावज ऑफ द पीपल, थंय जर वचून आमी डिस्कस करूंक शकना हो इशू, आनी हो इशूच तर घेवपाचें ना. ज्या इशू खातीर एसेंब्ली तांणी कट करून कमी केल्या, 3 आठवड्याची एसेंब्ली 1 दिसाची केल्या, जाल्यार वॉट इज दीस? लेट अस डू अवे विथ दीस फार्स ऑफ डेमोक्रेसी. नाकाच डिजॉल्व करून उडोवया मरे. हो मुख्यमंत्री आतां 7 कोटीचें रिपेर करता म्हणजे 4 कोटीन मशीन घे मरे. थंय पेंडींग 6,500 केसीस पेंडींग आहा, रिपोर्ट जायनात. सो माय बेसीक थिंग इज, हांव जाणा आज कितें जातलें तें, गव्हर्मेंट आज फक्त एक स्टेटमेंट दितले. They will remove us out of the house. They have passed a budget in the past by removing us out of the house. Today also they will remove us out of the house and then give a statement on COVID. See, democracy is about conversation. Democracy is about dialogue, not about monologues. प्रमोद सावंत गोयची डेमोक्रेसी ऑटोक्रेसी करूंक सोदता. म्हळ्यार इट इज लायक कोण पॉल पॉट नाल्यार कोण इदी आमीन तशी डेमोक्रेसी चलना. डेमोक्रेसीक डिस्कशन डिबेट जावंकूच जाय. आज तो स्टेटमेंट दितलो की ना सगळें बरें आहा आनी ते तुमी मागीर रिपोर्ट करतले. कोण नाकात तें. इतले सवाय मेळूं नाकात. सरकाराचो एजेंडा आहा टू मिसलीड. देर इज नो ट्रान्सपेरन्सी वेन इट कम्स टू कोवीड. And it is the only issue that should be discussed in the house today. हें जर करूंक शकना आमी जाल्यार तें हावसूच नाका. आनी कित्याक हें हावस जाय डिजॉल्व द हावस. सेंड अस होम.
About the today's assembly, one day assembly, how you are looking?
You see, I had written a letter. I'm going to give the copy. I have tweeted it also to the Honorable Speaker on 9th of this month. It was received by the Office of the Speaker on 10th. And I had requested the Honorable Speaker that because of this COVID, that the assembly session should be held on virtual basis. And Honorable Speaker till today has not even replied me, even though he has received my petition on 10th of July. It is now nearly 17 days I have not received a reply. In all humility, let me say, I don't write letters to the Speaker. As the senior member of this House, this is my 7th term. When I had written a letter to the Speaker, Speaker should have at least replied to me. Now the question is, legislature, executive and judiciary, these are the three pillars of a democracy. And legislature is independent and autonomous. If a child in the primary school is studying online, why can't the honorable members of this house run the house on this basis? Today we are going to pass 22,000 crores of rupees budget. Yesterday we have borrowed 100 crores. I have no problem. But, you know, the budget was moved at a particular time when the situation was different. The priorities were different. The revenue was expected on a certain line. The expenditure was expected on a certain line. Today, because of this COVID, we understand the government is in trouble. And we are ready to sit with the government because all our energies must be together. As an opposition, I must say we are ready to cooperate with the government because these are very difficult times and we have to understand. But definitely the priorities have changed. The government priorities have changed because of this COVID pandemic. And therefore I feel today we don't mind to even approve the budget, but the budget has to be discussed. The new priorities have to be discussed. There should be a revised budget within a month. If they want to take the money, they can take on vote on account. But definitely, we cannot just pass the budget as it is, because nobody will agree that the priorities have changed, the revenue modalities have changed, the expenditure has changed, and therefore the budget has to be revised, put it before the House, and we can have a virtual session. I am not just complaining as an opposition. I'm giving constructive, because these are difficult times and the speaker has to think out of the box. If this primary student can study on virtual basis, why not the assembly run on virtual basis? This is my wish. And therefore I am going to take it just now, before the starting of the session, that my letter which was written, because people are the masters, we have to serve them. COVID, fine. Difficult times, fine. Government is in problem, we understand that. And we are ready to cooperate with the government, provided the speaker acts independently. Speaker's legislature is autonomous, and therefore I feel that we should have taken this into consideration. Thank you.
सर गुड मॉर्निंग
सांग सर
एक सर कैसे इतनी
म्हणजे
8-10 ले एका 15,000 ले एका
सगळ्यांना ॲक्सेप्ट केलं देतो
तुम्ही आता
हय ॲक्सेप्ट करू सगळ्यांना हेका लागून कोविडा लागून
फुल बजेट पास करता
नागा तिथं कोण करतो तिथं करू गव्हर्नमेंट केलं गव्हर्नमेंट केलं करू
आपण ओपोजिशन मागतो
गव्हर्नमेंट केलं करू आपलं
पण डिस्कशनच जाऊ दे ना बजेटाची आणि विदाउट डिस्कशन
अरे COVID-19 लागून प्रॉब्लेम झाले नॉट ओनली इन गोवा ऑल ओवर द वर्ल्ड सिस्टम तेच चालला तिथे प्रश्न तिथे स्टेडियम पळयना तुमी जाऊ तें नॉट ओनली गोवा आज ऑपोजिशन लिडर म्हणटा गोंयांत लोक मेला आनी खूंय मेलना लोक सर्व लाखान मत मरे इंडिया वचोय मरे कितलो लोक मेळटा इट इज अ कॉमन थिंग मेलना गोंयांत आमी सांगितलें तुमकां सांबाळटा जाल्यार आमी एकामेकांक सांबाळपा जाय दोन ग्राम जाणक लगेच कॅर घेवपा जाय
फेब्रुवारीन जे बजेट अनाउन्स केल्लें होतील तर पॉसिबल ना
बिकॉज ऑफ द कोविडाक लागून केलें न्हू तें आतां तूं सांग म्हाका आतां कितलो पुलीस आनी कितले PSI आनी कितले आनी हांव नकळो तूं प्रेसूय आज चालू जालें आनी बजेट प्रेसाक कोणाक मेळना पूण हेर कोणी प्रेस वचून गेले भितर
बजेट करेक्शन जावन पास जावपाक जाय
अरे बाबा बाजार कोण उलटी कोण पास करपा ना कोण खावपा पास करपा ना बाजार पास करपा जाय नाजाल्यार गव्हर्मेंट चलपाच ना दॅट्स ऑल
जे मांडे सेशन घेतात
I think we have too many issues. The autocratic nature of the chief minister is well exposed. मुख्यमंत्री दादागिरी करून कशी सोदता आणि ही पार्टी सध्या लोकांचेर कसो अन्याय करता हे गोंय पळयत आसा. वी हॅव अ सिरियस इश्यू ऑफ कोवीड पॅन्डेमीक. वी नीड टू हँडल इट. डेथ्स आर माउंटिंग. फॅक्ट्स आर हिडन. वी डोंट हॅव अ व्हाईट पेपर. And at the same time, we have gone through lockdowns, economy is down. So the overall picture जे आसा right from COVID situation to where we are, and त्या COVID pandemican आमकां घरा दवरून जे illegalities चल्ल्या, whether it is Molem, which is a very vital issue today in terms of environment, whether it is a mining resumption which is illegally taking place, there are so many other things which we think about. Power tariff, electricity issues, utkache issues, constituency issues, there are plenty of things which cannot be done in one day. We are very clear. And आज जेन्ना तांणी दवरला, they have just bulldozed with their thing. I am not a part of the BSc committee to comment about what happened inside, but one thing is very clear that जे आमकां business जाय, जो business आमकां करपाक जाय जाल्यार एक दीस पावना. We need minimum 15 to 20 days of good business running around. There are bills pertaining to the retention of land to Goa आणि गोंयकारांक प्रायोरिटी. भायले स्टँडर्ड गोवन्स परत आयिल्ले आसा, तांकां फुडें कितें करचें. लॉट ऑफ प्लॅन्स नीड टू बी डिस्कस्ड आनी ताज्या खातीर इट हॅज टू बी अबाव पॉलिटिकल लायनेज. द प्रॉब्लम विथ दीस फेलोज आर दे आर ओनली अप टू पॉलिटिकल वन-अपमॅनशीप एंड दे आर इंटरेस्टेड ओनली इन गिविंग इम्युनिटी टॅबलेट्स टू increase the immunity of the people of Goa. And from the other side, the autocratic chief minister says भिवपाची गरज ना. I think this debate needs to be taken in the house and discussed well, and then only we have a positive output for Goan. शेवटी आमकां जाय कितें? जाय की गोंयकार बऱ्या प्रमाणान ह्या पॅन्डेमीक वॉराचेर आमी जैत मेळून फुडें वचप. पूण आज जे केलां इज अ टोटल मर्डर ऑफ डेमोक्रेसी. I am going there as an elected representative responsible for that, whatever possible will raise. But I think it is time for Goans to think more wider, come if required on the streets, whether it's section 144 or no, and put our voice together, because that is the only thing that Goa people can put across and the government can understand.
Has the opposition failed to convince the government on this, or the speaker is not listening to the opposition?
Yeah, I think the Goa whole state knows what is happening. We don't have to comment. Assembly asa is to discuss. 6 म्हयन्यान असेंब्ली जाता, फाटी वोट ऑफ अकाउंट जाता, मागीर असेंब्ली जाता. बजेट करपाक बजेटचे फिगर्स तरी सारके जाय मरे. होल बजेट इज चेंज. यू हॅव टेकन ऑस्टेरिटी मेजर्स. तुवें सगळे बजेटाचे फिगर्स सरप्लस बजेट आशिल्ले, तो आतां खंयचो बजेट आसा खबरूच ना, कित्याक लास्ट 6 months यू हॅव ऑलरेडी क्रॉस्ड युअर बॉरोइंग्स. सो वॉट आर वी टॉकिंग ऑन? वी आर पासिंग डिमांड्स which will not exist. We are passing a budget, those figures will not come. We are passing things which will not come into reality at all. So budget नावाक हाडून, बिलां हाडून ठोपप, ही autocratic nature, dictatorial attitude of the government and the chief minister is getting exposed. आणि ताजे बरोबर ते इल्ले स्टुजीस ताजे आसात पळय, गार्बेज काडपी बाकीचे, ते सगळे बरोबर आसात. सो इट्स अ जॉयंट वेंचर ऑफ दीस गव्हर्मेंट टू डू इलिगॅलिटीज ओवर प्रॉब्लेम्स or in Goa.
How serious these issues of Rajuna Mahavir Park, forest area, plus rail doubling, if these issues are not discussed in the government?
See, Mollem is a very important issue. We are having a very important topic to be discussed. I think let the assembly take place. We have pertinent topics to discuss in the assembly. Now, post assembly, I would like to talk on Mollem also, because this whole thing is a biodiversity काबार कशी करप हे ह्या सरकार शिकोवंक लागिल्लो आसा. खैबा म्हणपाक शिकला की सेंटर सांगता तें आयकुपाचें. आज कर्नाटकान समज जायना जाल्यार गोंयाक अर्जन्सी कितें? आज कर्नाटकाचे लोक बोळ मारतात जाल्यार कर्नाटका गव्हर्मेंट गो स्लो. महाराष्ट्रा सांगली सायडीक एक पेड 400 वर्सांचें जाता जाल्यार गडकरी जी भितर पडटा आनी दॅट पेड इज सेव्ड अँड रोड इज डायवर्टेड. इफ दीस आर बीइंग डन, देन वाय इज Mollem टार्गेटेड? जस्ट फॉर अदानीज, जस्ट फॉर अंबानीज, का आनी कोणाक कितें आसा? I think we need to discuss this thoroughly. Let us first find space in the assembly. Now, definitely through media, I would like to be vocal on the issue. I would fully support the Mollem issue, which requires whatever support right now, because youth भायर सरल्या. Youth आज पर्यावरण राखपाक भायर सरिल्ले आसा, आनी youth can change the definition of a government. ह्या सरकाराक अजून कळिल्लें ना, येता त्या दिसांनी कळटलें if they don't make necessary corrections. Thank you.
Good morning, boys.
Good morning, sir. सगळेच मागता चड दिसान तुमी एकूच.
तुम्ही आता चड सोशल डिस्टन्सिंग उडयलें.
बरें, आतां उरलेलें हांव कितें करूं? हांव रावलोलो.
दॅट इज वाय आय डिडंट वॉन्ट टू स्टॉप. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल सेशनूच पोस्टपोन जावंक जाय आसलें.
नाका आसलें.
इट इज व्हेरी रिस्की. Lot of states who have done assembly session. You look at Telangana, the number of positive MLAs. So it is quite risky. Especially we have a lot of elders over here. Senior Rane is there, आमचो रवी नायक बाबा. तांकां वेगवेगळी आनी कॉम्प्लिकेशन आसा. सिनियर राणेक ना, रवी नायक आहा.
नेक्स्ट असेंब्ली सेशन एल्डर्स वचोंक
It is quite risky. So one day also is risky.
सो असेंब्लीन एल्डर्स यूथ आसपा जाय.
ना, elders aha no, but the situation today is coronavirus.
Okay.
So anybody can get it.
So, but how will you answer people's question then? Who will answer to
We
me
can
assembly?
postpone it, no? Like आयज पासून आमी सेशन आता एक डेयाचे टू पास द बजेट. फुडें मागीर करूंक जाता न्हू. कोरोना लेट इट कम जावं न्ही न्हू. सेटल तरी जावं न्ही. अशें पयस वचो न्ही. वॅक्सीन येवं न्ही.
Okay, what is...
Sir,
one more question. What is your say?
We are ready to answer all the questions of the opposition.
What is your question answer to this Mollem issue? Rail doubling, forest and everything.
ते आता न्हू. I is only assembly.
No, put it जावपाक जाय. Are you not opposing it?
कशें पळयता तुमी बजेटाचें?
वन डे सेशन केला.
एक गोष्ट आमकां लक्षांत दवरपाक जाय की हो कोविडाचो महामारीचो वेळ आसा. आणि अशा स्थितीन ज्यो काही गोष्टी आमची बिल्स आसात किंवा बाकी सगळे डिमांड्स जे आसात ते प्रत्येकाक पयलोच आमी दितले. कोणाचे जर कितें विशय जर आसात आनी नंतर काही गोष्टी आमी समजून घेवपाची गरज आसा आनी त्या दृश्टिकोनान एक दिसाचें अधिवेशन जें आसा तें यशस्वी जातलें अशी म्हाका पूर्ण खात्री आसा.
पण कितें दुसरे ऑपोजिशन म्हणला की विषय घेना जाल्यार कोविडाचे विशय घेना आमी बंद उडयतले दोन काज
आता तो त्यांचो निर्णय न्ही, ताजेर हांव कांय उलोवपाक शकना. तो प्रत्येकाक फ्रिडम आसा, ही डेमोक्रेसी आसा आनी डेमोक्रेसीक प्रत्येकाक आपलें मत व्यक्त करपाचो अधिकार आसा आनी तो अधिकार तांणी करचो.
मोलेमाचे विशय कशे करता?
हां
मोलेम
कितें जालें
ते वायल्ड लायफाचे भुरगे ते भायर सरल्यात जंगल
तो कशें आसा, ह्या सद्या फॉरेस्ट डिपार्टमेंट जे आसात पळय त्या फॉरेस्ट डिपार्टमेंटाच्या मंत्र्याक तुमी कांय गोश्टी विचारपाच्यो. एज अ म्हजे कडेन कितें आसा तेजें आन्सर दिवपा खातीर हांव समर्थ.
कशें पळयता की थंयसर मोल्यान घेवन डबल ट्रॅकिंग तुमचें काम चालू आसा, सो तुमी त्या वाठारांतले ऑलमोस्ट त्या वाठारांतले मंत्री तुमी
अजून पर्यंत तसो त्या दृश्टिकोनांतल्यान हांवें पळोवना. पूण कशें आसा, जेन्ना डबल ट्रॅक जेन्ना जाता त्या वेळाचेर सेंट्रल गव्हर्मेंटाचे रेल्वेचे कांय गोश्टी आसात त्यो आमी थोड्योश्यो फॉलोअप करपाक जाय अशें म्हाका तर दिसता. थँक्यू.